friends, welcome back to my channel. I received this package yesterday around evening. A fellow YouTuber of mine helped me to get this from Delhi, Mr. Shahrukh Khan, and even he has a YouTube channel. Make sure you check his channel as well because even his channel has some cool contents for you. I will provide the link in the description box below to purchase this product and even his channel. I have already unboxed this, so now I will show you how does the alloy wheel look like. I purchased this for my Activa. These are pretty lightweight, as you can see. Wait, I will show you from above. As you can see, so what all do we get inside this? We'll get even 4 lug nuts for this alloy wheel. Costed me around 2,700 rupees with shipping charges. I will provide the link in the description box below to purchase this. Now, what are the benefits of installing this on your moped? First thing, it will decrease the weight of your wheels, which will help in performance of your vehicle. Second thing is looks. Third thing, this is an eye catcher. Everyone will ask you from where did you purchase this, etc. And these are universal, means you can install this on your tubeless tires as well as tube tires. If you are installing it on tube tires, then you can remove this connector from this mag wheel and install it with your tube. One more thing which you have to note if you are installing this, that you will have to take precautions that while driving you don't drive through potholes, because this can get dented pretty easily and cannot be fixed again. It's made from alloy, not aluminium, and it's pretty sturdy and lightweight. I think so around 1.5 to 2 kgs, much more lighter than your stock rims. Okay, so now I will carry this with me and I will show you how it gets installed on my Activa. And take this to a renowned or a person who has knowledge or machine to install this properly, because if you hit this with hammer or etc., this will get dented and it's the whole show will get ruined. Okay, so let's continue now. I will start shooting again when I reach to the tire shop. The rear tire is being removed now. It's getting removed now. Sorry guys, I couldn't show you the procedure of installation because the guy who was doing it was not okay to be filmed. It's not a DIY, so I think so that won't be a problem too. Now see, the installation has been done on the both tires and it's looking gorgeous right now. See, I drove it for around 7 to 8 kilometers and I didn't face any problems. So that's all for this video. Make sure you hit the like button if you like this video, Subscribe to my channel for upcoming videos and press the bell icon to never miss an update from me. Till then, bye. Don't be a squid.